Okay, so I have my car jacked up. I got a jack stand over here. So the stand is holding the weight. The wheel is loose. It's taking them off. And I'm assuming everybody's going to know how to do this part. So I'm going to pause it, finish taking this wheel off, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the wheel's up. So these screws right here are a 7mm. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down and over 8, 9 that we're gonna undo. I can do this one now. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a special tool. You could use screwdrivers, but you're gonna hate yourself for it. Just saves you a ton of trouble. It's still not the easiest to pull these out, but it grabs the whole thing and then pulls it out. And same here. This one is a little bit hard because there's nothing there, and eventually I got some needle nose and dug it out the rest of the way. This one, yeah, I already got that one. Okay, so now next is we are going to move this all back out to about here and pull it down so we have access over here to the pump. Okay. Slides in. Yeah, there, right here is the last little tab that goes straight out, and then right here is one that's like a vertical tab that goes straight up. It slides between the like the sheet metal and this thing, this molding here. I would try to avoid pulling that one out as possible. It's hard to get back in. Just save you some trouble. Okay, so here you can see I already have the pump. Remember, I had that old pump on Ford Place and verified I got the right part. Anyway, so it's already disconnected. So right here is where it sits. Right here, and 2 lines go up and then to each side of the pump, and here's a plug to plug into the pump. Now this plug, there's a little tab right here. You kind of have to push it in. See, that little tab is the only tab, and so you got to get it up over that one, and then it just slides right off. Okay, it goes in this direction. The plug is at the top. This goes into the into that hole right there, and when you take it out, it just easily pulls out. So I'm going to stick it in there. Just slides into place. I'm going to attach that one. Click, click. You can hear it click. They're both attached, secure. Okay. Now I attach this one. It's already attached. Attached, everything's good, and now let's hope. Oh, let's hope. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna look at taking this off right here. Yeah. That kinda got washer fluid everywhere. So, I use this. Ah, and look, like a plastic around this that is clogging the thing. I am going to probably get a hose and flush through there just to make sure everything's out. Go to the center one again. Make sure we're going to power wash it down there as much as we can. Turn to check. Okay. Oh, goodness. Yes. So I did the little spray wash on it. Got it all clean. Got the rest of the junk off. It looks really clean now. So I'm gonna put it back in right here. Yay. Okay. Oh, I set that up out of the way. I didn't want to get water all over that. Now, let's pop it in place. See right up here, there's little notches for these to go into. You just pop them out, pop them back in, pop them back in. Anyway, I got the rain sensing because the Ford Escape, 2014 Ford Escape does have that in the wipers. Okay, so we're back here at the car. Okay, got my funnel. Da-da-da. Let's see. But I don't really think that's going to matter for washer fluid. So let's go try it on. Okay, I am 100% sure this is going to work. Let's see. It does. How about the back? Yes, it does. Hold it here. You don't want to put that. Okay, set that vertical tab out. And it hurts your finger to see. See? That is the vertical tab I was talking about. Ah. Okay. See? I got it on the wrong thing. It needs to go in between here and here. And it's behind it. That's one of my issues. I just kind of did that number to it. And it went in. Okay. So all this is in. It's in up here. Now you should be able to line these up. Yes, they'll line up. These should line up. And this one needs to be on top. See that shell needs to be on top of this, or underneath, however you want to look at it. But anyway, okay. So let's start with this one first. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. Okay, now I'll pop in this one. And one thing I didn't mention, that one a little bit smaller than the ones that are in here. So the smaller one goes in here. I even hold up. Just push it in. So these ones. So just push them back in. Push it back in. See, they hold. They're not gonna come out. There. Okay. Alright, you want no leftover parts when you're done. And that ends the video for replacing the pump that wasn't really needed, but figuring out it's the clog inside. And that was troubleshooting. There you go. Alright, see you next time on some other video. Alright, that concludes the video.